Is the winter weather getting you down? Missing that fresh garden taste? What if I told you you could be harvesting fresh, homegrown vegetables right from your kitchen counter all winter long? Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm the OCDist Chick. Today I'm kicking off WIG 2025, a winter indoor growing challenge, hosted by GtJr Grows in Alaska and Mike's Chaotic Gardening. Today we're sowing vegetable seeds in a simple hydroponic system to show just how easy it is to grow in water without soil. ELOC Nation, I challenge you to join me. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 easy steps for sowing your seeds successfully. The goal is to prove that anyone, anywhere, can enjoy fresh produce year-round. Let's get growing. I like to use duct tape for plant labels. Your hydroponic system will come with instructions on how to mix your fertilizer and how much to use. And give it a good shake. Once you've filled up your tank with water, you can add the fertilizer then, or wait until later like me. Let's take a look at the seeds I'll be planting. I love a delicious salad year-round, so I'm planting lots of different varieties. Swiss chard grows well indoors as well as outdoors all year round. Drop those seeds right into the hole of the sponge. I've planted all of my seeds into this unit. I'm lightly pressing down on the sponges just to be sure that the sponges wick up the water. Let's move on to planting the second unit. I am a parsley and cilantro lover. It still amazes me how tiny seeds grow up into large plants that feed you. I also love basil, an aromatic herb from the mint family. Growing indoors hydroponically removes the guesswork out of traditional soil gardening. It keeps the harvest going through the winter. It's less messy and super efficient. The secret for germination is warmth and moisture. See how easy that was? Are you in? Join WIG 2025. I'll be bringing you back for more updates on my progress. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.